Hello everybody, thank you for subscribing to my account and liking my videos. Today I'm going to do an open house tour of a courtyard villa here in the Villages, Florida. This is located at 432 Layton Place. I hope you enjoy the tour. Thank you for joining everyone. This is a courtyard villa here in the Villages, Florida that is for sale. I will show you and share with you the particulars in a few minutes. If you're interested in this home, please contact the realtor, John Starr. These courtyard villas have a fenced-in backyard.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our open house. My name's John Starr with Remax Premier Realty, and this is a marathon villa. It's a courtyard villa. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath with 1,156 square feet. The bond has been paid. The roof was replaced in 2001, and the air conditioner is approximately 5 years old.
Okay, what is the approximate age of the roof?
The roof was put on in 2021.
Okay. And what about the water heater?
The water heater is original.
Okay, and the house was built in what year?
2004 was the year the home was built.
Okay, great. I appreciate your introduction. I will take a walk through the home and I'll video it. And if I have questions, I'll ask you.
Thank you very much.
I'll also video the spec sheet.
Yeah, that'll be perfect. Yeah, so there's one, I'll lay it right here if you want to use it from here.
Perfect.
And I'll stay out of the way.
So this is a courtyard villa. It's a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom. This is the kitchen. It has laminate countertops. This is a combination dining room and living room area with a sliding patio door. This is an enclosed lanai. And you can see the benefit of the courtyard villa is the entire backyard is fenced in. This particular villa has a gravel backyard instead of the grass. There is also access to the lanai from the master bedroom through a sliding glass door. The living room has ceramic tile. Does any of this furniture go with it?
Yes, sir. Everything that's in the property now stays, with the exception probably this clock right here on the wall. That's the only item that'll probably be removed.
So that clock does not go with the home. Everything else does. This is the master bedroom. Has carpet. Has a walk-in closet. This is the master bathroom. Ceramic tile floor. This is a shower. Fiberglass shower. This is still the master bedroom. This is the second bedroom and the second bathroom. Ceramic tile is also in the second bathroom. It does have a tub. This is the second bedroom that is carpeted. I'll go through the garage.
Yes, sir, you're welcome to. I might mention that we do have gas heat and a gas hot water heater.
So it's powered by natural gas. Is this considered a car and a half garage?
Yes, sir, it is.
Looks like the laundry facilities are in the garage, which is fairly typical for the Villages, Florida. That is the hot water heater there. I'll video the spec sheet.
Excuse me.
For watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of a Courtyard Villa here in the Villages, Florida at 432 Layton Place. Have a great day, everybody.